Hey everyone! I'm thrilled to dive into the exhilarating world of the iPhone 17 Pro Max, a device that's shaping up to redefine mobile technology with a stunning fusion of performance, camera excellence, design innovation, and cutting-edge AI capabilities. In this revamp, I've reimagined and expanded the original transcript to craft a fresh, SEO-optimized version that's brimming with new keywords like machine learning, AI performance leap, continuous zoom telephoto, ergonomic metal frame, vapor cooling system, next-gen modem, and pro-camera interface. From vintage beginnings to unmatched power. Remember when the original iPhone debuted in 2007, powered by a humble Samsung-made M11 chip clocked at just 412 MHz? Fast forward nearly 2 decades, and Apple's latest chip architecture, in the form of the A18 Bionic, is rumored to eclipse that initial chip's performance by up to 500 times. That's a half-millennium leap in computational capability. Geekbench trends show roughly 40% year-on-year gains, pushing mobile performance into laptop territory, while integrating machine learning efficiency and advanced AI inferencing directly on device. Apple has kept a 6-core CPU configuration since 2017, balancing performance and efficiency cores, while delivering exponential gains in raw power and ML throughput. Android competitors may tout octa-core or deca-core SoCs, but real-world benchmarks continue to favor the streamlined, optimized iOS ecosystem for smoother app performance, multitasking, and AI acceleration. A camera system designed for creators and zoom lovers. Rumors suggest Apple is upgrading the telephoto lens to deliver 8 times optical zoom, surpassing the 5 times zoom of the iPhone 16 Pro Max, and directly challenging DSLR-class long-range photography. Glossy rumors even hint at continuous zoom functionality, enabling fluid transitions between focal lengths, a dream for wildlife photographers, vlogging creators, and anyone craving ultra-flexible framing without switching lenses. Wikipedia: Apple may introduce a built-in pro camera app, fully geared for professionals and enthusiasts, with manual controls rivaling apps like Halide and Filmic Pro. And intriguingly, a dedicated camera control button on the top edge is said to be in testing, reviving hardware navigation in a streamlined interface, as seen in the iPhone 16 Pro series. Wikipedia: expect a sleeker, horizontally aligned camera island with edge softened transitions into the frame, design touches that enhance grip and elevate wrist comfort. Design and display, ergonomics meets elegance. Whispers from the design world suggest a shift toward a copper-like finish with a potentially centered Apple logo, sparking debates over form versus branding aesthetics. The metal frame design looks smoother with a welded glass back, likely curbing sharp edges and improving hand feel, especially during binge-scrolling marathons. The entire iPhone 17 lineup may finally bring promotion and always-on display to even the base model. Paired with ultra-narrow bezels and advanced BRS border reduction structure, visuals will be stunning. Apple's innovative tiny copper wiring, etched upward, solves previous bezel packaging challenges in elegant fashion. Storage, RAM and AI on device. Apple is expected to make 256 GB the new minimum base storage, eliminating the lower 128 GB tier. Coupled with 12 GB RAM across all iPhone 17 models, the hardware is primed to support new on-device AI features and larger datasets consumed by machine learning applications. Apple's next-generation C1 modem and Wi-Fi 7 compatibility will optimize connectivity, reduce reliance on third-party radios, and pave the way for ultra-fast wireless data transfers. With these advancements, on-device AI tasks become more feasible and efficient. Thermal design, charging and battery-powerful chips and AI require thermal innovation. Apple is reportedly developing a vapor chamber cooling system, technology borrowed from gaming phones, to keep performance sustained under heavy use. Charging speeds are expected to upgrade from 20W to 35W wired, and there's speculation about Cheetah wireless charging, boosting wireless speeds beyond current MagSafe levels. While exact battery capacity remains undisclosed, Apple emphasizes efficiency gains to improve battery life rather than simply increasing cell size. That said, more on-device AI means energetic demands, and advanced cooling could offset shorter runtimes. Who should get it? Who should wait? If you're craving cutting-edge AI experiences, seamless high-performance multitasking, breakthrough telephoto zoom, or pro-level camera controls built into iOS, this could be your best upgrade since the original Pro models. Between machine learning features, faster chipsets, new ergonomic design touches, and improvements across display, connectivity, and thermal management, this is shaping up to be a flagship in every sense. But if you're upgrading from the iPhone 16 Pro or Pro Max, consider your personal use. While the iPhone 17 Pro brings upgraded zoom, improved media handles, and AI-driven software tools, if those aren't make-or-break features, you might see more value in waiting or sticking with your current model. In all, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is shaping up to be Apple's boldest upgrade yet, blending AI innovation with pro-grade hardware, sleek ergonomic design, and robust connectivity. Whether you're a creator, tech enthusiast, or performance junkie, this could be the iPhone that checks every box. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit like, subscribe to Techno Trend Zone, and comment which feature excites you the most. Catch you in the next breakdown.